In this guide, we're going over how to fix Instagram highlights not working or showing. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now begin by opening up Instagram, and you need to tap on your profile down in the bottom right and then tap those three lines up in the top right just like so. Go ahead and scroll down and find archiving and downloading in here. So essentially just scroll down on here. You're looking for that setting. Once you see it, go ahead and open it up, and essentially what you need to go ahead and do is make sure that save story to archive is turned on. If this is off, Instagram will not save your stories, which can of course stop you from adding them to highlights. Now from here, go back and then look in the highlight section. If it's missing, you need to tap the three lines again, but this time go ahead and open up archive specifically. Once you're on here, go to the stories archive, not the post archive. Find whatever post it is that you want. So select this, for example, and make sure that you highlight it. So we could choose this, right? Highlight, add it to a highlight, add a new highlight by hitting the plus. It's completely up to you. But then from here, you could go back and you'll see that that highlight is going to appear on your story. That's the full process though. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.